हेलो एवरीवन, तो कैसे हो आप लोग? आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। आज हम करने वाले हैं जावा का सेटअप। तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग योर टाइम, लेट्स मूव टू द क्रोम एंड टाइप जावा oracle. Enter. Here is it, Java software. Click on it. Download Java. You can see right there. Click on it, and we are downloading for Windows exe file. This one. Save. Downloading. Downloading is done. Open. Click on yes. Preparing for install. Yeah. Next. File path. Install Java. C program files Java JDK. Okay. If you want to change the file path, you can change here by clicking on this icon change. Next. Next step. So it's done. Close. Okay. Open the files. Try program files. Java. Okay. So copy the path and now open environment. Added the system environment variable. Open it and click environment variable. Here is it. Now you have one path. Double click on it. New and paste here. And now okay, okay, and okay. Now let's check what version we have right now of Java. So for that, CMD, open it, write Java space hyphen hyphen version. So we have successfully downloaded the Java latest version. तो इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अब हम मिलेंगे आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में VS कोड के सेटअप के साथ। बाय बाय, बेस्ट ऑफ लक, पढ़ते रहो।